My name is Søren Ullmann. I'm a bladesmith here at Northmen Guild and the leader and instigator for this workshop. We have a big update for all our subscribers and supporters here for this project. The big construction parts of this workshop are completed. The roof is on, the roof windows are in, the walls are filled. We have our kitchen oven inside, we have the big forge fire chimney built up, and we have the floors in, and now only have to put in the windows and the big gate. Electricity is running, water still needs to be installed. The first grinder is standing in the forge, as well as 2 power hammers, several anvils, which some of them are currently borrowed, so we need to organize more of those. Really good gas forge that currently is lent by a very good friend of ours and colleague. The next big milestones for us here is to build in a kitchen fully, to get more anvils, more tools. We have already started forging a lot of them, but this will take time. We have to forge at about 100 tools in total to get to a good starting point where we can then also give courses in the future. We also need to set up still our entire jewelry setup. That means workbenches have to be built and pulled in. They're currently already in production. We have to get rolling mills for the jewelry work, for silver and goldsmithing work. We have to get engravers, hand files, Dremels, as well as we need to get a second big grinder. The bigger power hammer we still have to restore a bit. There is engine to be repaired, it has to be repainted, and we have to overhaul the mechanics of the hammer. In order to finance the next milestones in this workshop, we are announcing now a raffle where every 1,000 tickets, which each cost €5, we will announce a winner of an axe that we are going to forge right here in this workshop. The axes will be done in spring until early summer next year, because we need to focus on finishing this workshop so we can set up for courses. It is also going to be an open museum, so we need to get this place to an absolute finish before we can actually start producing here. And also, we want to always invite other craftsmen to come around and collaborate here with us. So we are really, really grateful for everyone who has donated so far. We're gonna keep you all updated more in the future. We have been neck deep in work, and yes, we really want to get this work going as an educational center and getting you all in the future here to be part of this project.
Ooh.